again, and I got another video for you. As always, it's always Nikes, but you know what? This is a bit of different trainer. I don't have any trainers this type of style. I don't know what category to put it under. Um, I don't actually have any of these trainers. Nike have been doing a load of these trainers, colorways, whatever you want to call it. They've been throwing out a lot of colors, and they are really nice. I've seen some fire colorways. This pack is a bit more exclusive. Yeah, we could say exclusive. So this is a bit of an exclusive version. Not really exclusive, but a bit limited. So it's the multi swoosh pack. I chose to go with this trainer because I'm boring and I normally go with the Air Force Ones, but you know, Air Force once, you can only wear them once, and £100 is not really worth it. Plus, I only like all white Air Force Ones anyway. Any other Air Force Ones I have is because I didn't really have a choice, so I couldn't find all whites. But yeah, I forgot to mention, you've come this far, so like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. But yeah, let's get into this one quickly. Massive box. I don't know why they've sent me such a big box. I can actually hear the box rattle around in there, so that's a bit stupid. As always, pull for sport. Let's just, I don't know how I'm gonna do this one. What a sound. That's the best feeling. Bloody hell. No returns label this time. Oh man, they might have put the returns label inside the box. Let me just double check because I don't want to edit that out. They haven't? That's odd. So, a box that has been on my channel so many times. So many times this box has been on my channel. But let's get into it, people, man. Nike Waffle One. So this is white Game Royal sale. UK 10. Oh, I should have got 9.5. What an idiot. I have a feeling these might be half a size big, but we move. Let's get into them, people. Ooh. Yes, the Nike Waffle One. This is the multi swoosh pack. I actually haven't seen these in person ever. Off the bat, I don't like that toe box one bit, but maybe it will be better on foot. These are a summer shoe. Right, so let's get into it. The thing that actually got me into these trainers is because of the Sakai's, if that's how I pronounce it. And I'm not paying £700 for Sakai's. Yeah, I'm not really doing that, and I don't really think they'll suit me, man. I'm not sure because I don't really wear Nikes with jeans, so I don't want to spend £700 and not wear them ever. So these ones are good for shorts. So what I really like is the sole, the midsole type thing. This is not a double sole. It kind of gives double sole vibes, so don't quote me on that, but I don't think it's a double sole. Actually, it's kind of a double sole, but yeah. So the kind of double sole back, we'll call it a double sole, but to be honest, I think a double sole would be a bit higher. Don't quote me on that, man. I'm just a waffler trying to get YouTube subscribers, and I like trainers a lot. So that's all plastic on the back. It's got like a little wing, like a sports car. Definitely whoever designed these is gonna say that, oh yeah, wing like a sports car. So it says established 1972, Beaverton, Oregon, NSW, Waffle One. So that's just basically saying when Nike was established, which is 1972, which everyone knows, Beaverton, Oregon, which Nike was made in, and it has the headquarters or whatever in, and NSW is Nike Sportswear, and WFFL is Waffle One. You could have just wrote Waffle, you lazy people. So this is the Waffle sole, which is like one of the first type of soles Nike made. They actually made the Waffle sole, funnily enough, in a waffle maker. So, and I shouldn't be saying I don't know this, but the geezer who invented Nike, whatever his name is, these look kind of worn. I don't like that. That's not good. No, I'm just clocking that. What? These are worn. Nah, I'm not happy with that. Oh, customer services is going to get spoken to tomorrow. What? They're worn. They better not. Oh, 1 second. That's not a style. That's definitely worn because the back doesn't really. They are worn. Oh, F it, man. Shouldn't swear, but yeah, it's a family show. Oh, I'm not happy about that. Well, they look quite worn. Not quite worn, but they look worn. So let's just skip that and go back to the history lesson. So whoever invented the first Nike, the waffle sole, they invented in a waffle maker. And yeah, so they made the sole in a waffle maker, made the sole of the trainer, made the trainers in 1972, and now people are going crazy for the trainers. Who would have thought? So double sole thingy going on there. Then all suede. The whole side is suede. The whole back is suede. Literally the whole heel is suede. The whole front wraparound is also suede. So it literally wraps around. Toe. I think they call this the guard. You know, sometimes I just can't think, man. It's late. And then all the eye stays, the eyelet, whatever you want to call them, eye stay, that's all so suede. Then it's got it's actually a see-through material. So wear good socks with these. So what other trainer has these? I have another trainer that had these. Can't remember, but yeah. You can literally put your finger in there, whatever. I don't think you want to. But I really don't like that toe box. I think that is cheap as anything. Very flimsy. Not a fan one bit. And then obviously there's the see-through side panel, which I don't really mind. I'm happy with the see-through side panel. Side note, I used to actually I think it was 2008 or 9 or 10, and there was a thing going around where there was see-through Air Force Ones. I don't know if I'll be able to find a picture. I might just put the picture here, like during this or whatever. If I don't, then forgive me. So there's see-through Air Force Ones, and I really wanted them, and I'm happy I didn't get them now looking back at it. But it was just one of those things that they were just cool at the time. So they'll have see-through side panels, sometimes see-through toe box, so you could wear like different color socks, and they will show. I don't know why I would have wanted those. The plastic would have probably messed up within 2 days, but yeah, we move. So it is really a flimsy material on the toe box. I'm not really happy about that. The side bit, I'm happy with the mesh toe box. I hate mesh toe boxes, but maybe it'll be better once it's worn, once it's on foot. Oops, so it's got a small yellow swoosh there. This is actually a lazy attempt at multi-swoosh pack. Nike, you're getting so boring. So a navy blue swoosh, a green swoosh, a red swoosh, and a little yellow swoosh, and it's multicolour swoosh pack. Okay, like that's anything special. And then I'm sorry. Yeah, no, these are just. I'm kind of annoyed at the situation at the bottom. So yeah, and even this tick looks like this trainer's been used. What the hell, man? Nike, fix up. And even the suede looks like it's kind of rubbing. Oh my god. No, these are going back, man. These have to go back. Because Nike are just going to offer 10% off. Oh yeah, they're 10%. I can't take 10%. Then it's got a little padded suede, which is not high quality suede, I'll be honest. It's just some dead suede, man. But yeah, people. I'm gonna be a waste man now. So basically, I like the silhouette. I like the trainer. I like the Waffle One. I do want to see what the comfort's like. This could be another one of my tracksuit trainers. I have more trainers than I have tracksuits, which is the funniest thing. Like, I'll have one grey tracksuit and 7 grey trainers to wear with tracksuits. Who do I think I am, man? But yeah, I like the silhouette a lot. They look really good. You know what? These will look good with shorts. Very good with shorts. This pair I'm not particularly happy with. Even look at that, man. There's a mark on the suede. What? Who does quality control at Nike? Because these are 100% seconds. These are factory seconds. And you're sending me factory seconds. And I'm not happy with that. I'm actually fuming now, man. Rubbish. And these were like £90. £90 we get this. Fix up Nike, man. But yeah. I like the silhouette. So the silhouette I'll give like an 8. And it could possibly go up to a 10 depending on how much I start liking it, but the silhouette is a solid 8. But you know, when I say 8, it really means 10, so I don't even know why I'm saying that. Yeah, it's just basically a 10. I like the silhouette. This colorway is okay. It's not the best. It's quite lazy, actually. It's just like, I believe they have a similar one with just a black tick or a white tick. They've just put flipping 3 color ticks and one little crappy tick over there, or multi-color swoosh pack. Nike designers are getting lazy, which is putting me off the brand a lot. And yeah, I'm not really happy with these, to be honest. Quality wise, quality control wise, whatever, materials wise, all of that, I'll give them a 5. No, forget 5. They get a 2, bruv. Bun this pair. I'm pissed off. Forget that 1. They get a 1 for quality, all of that. These have definitely been worn in the stockroom or something. Marks all over the suede and that crap, and I don't buy into that nonsense of it's natural, it's okay, then not all suede's gonna be. No, I'm not buying that. Not all suede's gonna be okay. Very boring, especially for a pack that they said obviously it's limited or whatever, or they normally are limited. Rubbish. Not happy with these trainers. I've been running on for a long time, but I actually don't care now. It's my channel, I can say what I like. So silhouette gets a 10, trainers get a 1, quality wise. Colorway, I'd rate the colorway 3.5 out of 10, just because it's nice but it's boring at the same time, because Nike designers have, who's designing these, please, I want to know, because they need to give me their job. I'll design better trainers than these in my sleep, and that's just facts. Like, if you give me colorways, I'll do colorways. But yeah, I'm not even gonna cuss these or slate these too much, because I've gone on for a long time, and if I speak the truth, it's just long. So what I'll say is, drop a like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, I will do an on-foot video. I'm quite annoyed with the quality and all that. I will be speaking to Nike customer services about this, and let's see what they say. But honestly, for £90, there's nothing you can get these days. I'm not going to promote no other brands. I'm not going to give you no alternatives. I'm just going to say, buy what you like. If you get lucky and you like them, well, the silhouette's not bad. So just buy another colorway. This colorway is kind of trash, not going to lie. Just get the black ones, or the sail cream colorway, or whatever. I've seen quite a few colorways which are nice. There's a pink one which I won't really wear, or I might just get. Thinking about it, I do like wild trainers, so I might just get the pink colorway just for a video, to be honest. But yeah, people, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, as always, on for video, and I'll see you on the next one, hopefully. Yeah, take care, people.